look through the cones, don't look at the cones. If you look at stuff, you drive towards it. So try to look at where you want to go and not at the obstacle. Alright, you can go ahead and begin.
So do we get to adjust your mirrors?
Our mirrors, fixed position?
See? Or what?
Are the mirrors in a fixed position?
Or you can't adjust them?
The mirrors?
No, you can adjust it. Left. Yeah, I didn't tell you guys that, but the other group, you know, I said these cars, a lot of times, like a car like this is a pool car or, you know, used by different guys each shift, right? You know, you may have a guy in here 6 inches shorter than you or 6 inches taller than you, so each time you get in, you need to adjust your seat, adjust your mirrors, make sure everything's in the right place for you. You want to be far enough back in your seat that your arms aren't too much like this or straight out like that. You want a little bend in them, and you know, which kind of get held up by the cage if you're very tall.
Yeah, it's the only bad thing about being 6'3". Killing cones for him.
Yeah, he's a little wide there on the back.
I'll do
Alright,
worse.
9-3 through here, get your both hands on the wheel, just rolling it back and forth. Now, not shuffle here, just spin them back and forth like this. Alright, 9-3 through the lane change, vision up, looking through the cones. That's it. Alright, crashed out, come to a stop. Park, get your belt off, go get it. Orange shirt, black shoes. This is my second group of 3, the first one of that, so. Alright, hold on.
You wanna go? Go ahead.
Somebody's gonna go cone with him.
Hey, you might want to just use a lot.
Roll
You're
that
right,
back window
right
down.
window down, reach up.
Okay, back to the start. Now right here on this one, when you backed out, you go facing that way, you backed over 2 or 3 on this row here, so you got to put a little more steer into it there. And